Okay, guys, let's get started. So, in the last session, what we we um, did Intune introduction, Intune architecture, high-level overview, Intune license. Then we discussed about Intune lab setup. Then we downloaded Oracle VirtualBox and installed that application. Then we downloaded Windows 10 ISO image file, and we built one Windows 10 virtual machine. And then we took the snapshot and we turned off that virtual machine yesterday. So these are the things which we did in the last session. So basically what we did is on our computer, suppose this is your laptop, right? Or desktop. We have created one virtual machine inside that computer. On your physical machine, we created one virtual machine, and this machine is Windows 10 virtual machine. Why we need this machine? We need this machine as a testing device so that we will enroll this device into Intune and we will be sending policies, right? Policies, applications, configurations, okay? Then updates, then security policies, compliance setting, etc. Okay. So basically these are the things which we are going to deploy on this virtual machine. And this is a Windows 10 machine. So this is going to be our testing device, wherein all the policies and applications and configuration updates and security policy and compliance we will be deploying. We will be factory resetting this device. We'll format this device and reinstall the operating system. Okay, whatever we would like to do, we will do on this device. We don't want to perform these steps on your laptop because you know we have to format the device. We cannot format your laptop. That's the reason we have a test device ready. Now, what we are going to do is we need to take Intune subscription today. We haven't taken Intune subscription. So today, what we are going to do, we need to take either you take Intune subscription. Now for Intune subscription, you need mobile number. Okay. Second, you need email address. And you need credit card. Okay. For free trial. So we are going to take Intune free trial. Got it? Intune free trial. So this is going to be available for us for 30 days. So initially 30 days and later on we will extend this to another 30 days. So total 60 days we will be able to utilize this product. Okay. Now, after 60 days, if you would like to continue, you will have to pay to Microsoft. Okay. So we are gonna use the free trial and then we will cancel our subscription. We don't have to pay to Microsoft. Now, those who have already created your Intune account in the past, I don't know if you guys have already created your Intune account. Like Devashish, you created your Intune account before. So you need to have new mobile number, new email address, and new credit card. You can't use the old details because if you do that, it is not gonna let you create free account. You will be able to create the account, but it will be paid account. You will have to pay to Microsoft. So in order to create free account, we need new mobile number, new email address, and new credit card. Okay, those who have not created before, that's okay for them. but for those who have already created, they need new details altogether. Okay. Now, which license we have to take? So as we discussed yesterday, we have various licenses. Intune license. So Intune license, we are going to take Microsoft Intune Plan 1. This is a standard license. Generally, we um, take this license in production environment. So the cost of this license is around $8 per user per month. Okay, so we are going to take this license. Okay. Now, in case in case you in case you do not want this license, suppose you need um, a bigger license wherein multiple things are um, also covered. So you can take this one, Microsoft 365 E3 license. So in production, some organizations are using this one, Microsoft 365 E3 license, and some of them are using Microsoft 365 E5 license. Okay. Or you can take Enterprise Mobility plus Security E5, E3 license. Anything of your choice, but these four are very common, okay, in production environment. Now, so I would suggest you to um, take this one, Microsoft 365 E3 license, because this contains various things. This has Intune license, right? So basically, Microsoft 365 E3 license contains various things. So it contains Intune, it contains Windows license. You know, you can activate the Windows computer as well. Then you will be able to, sorry. Then you have Azure Active Directory Premium license, Azure AD Premium license, P2 license. Then we need Windows Auto Patch. Windows Auto Patch. Okay. And then Microsoft Defender license is also included. Microsoft Defender license, etc. There are like more than 50 licenses are included in this one, and the cost of this license is around 3,000 rupees, I think. Let me show you. So free trial, MS 365 E3 free trial. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is the one, Microsoft 365 E3 no Teams. That means it does not include Teams license. Okay. The cost of this license is around 2,810. Okay. And you have try free for 1 month. You can try this for 1 month. Okay. That's not gonna charge you anything, free of cost, and we will extend this for another 30 days. So total 60 days you can utilize this license. Okay. So everyone, let's go to this page. Let's go to google.com. Okay. And search Microsoft 365 E3 free trial in Google. Now, when you go there, you need to click on this Microsoft 365 E3 no Teams. And then choose this one, try free for 1 month. Okay, then you need to uh, create a new account. Okay, so you have to choose a new account. Since I'm already logged in, that's the reason it is giving me this account. But you have to create a new account. Let me do it like this. 1 minute. Microsoft 365 E3 trial license. Okay, so here you need to enter your email address. Okay, so you need to type in your email address. Next. And then you need to click on setup account. Okay, setup account and type in your details.
Kashif, sorry to disturb. I'm quite behind.
Which step you are at?
I just searched for this Microsoft 365 E3 license, trial license,
Mm-hmm.
and I clicked on one of the Microsoft site.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys again.
I'm
I'm
sorry.
gonna go to google.com. Here, Microsoft 365 E3 trial license. Okay. Now, when I go down, I have this option called Microsoft 365 E3 No Teams. Microsoft 365 E3 No Teams. Now, those who are facing, if you guys are facing problem to see and perform the same thing on your computer, so I would suggest you join from your mobile device as well. So on this meeting, right? So on mobile, you can see what is going on in the session, and on the computer, you can perform the task side by side. Okay, if you have two monitors, then it is absolutely okay. Or you can join from two different devices. Okay. Now, so you have to click on this one, Microsoft 365 E3 No Teams. Click on that. And then at the right hand side, you have try free for 1 month. Try free for 1 month. Okay. Now, here you need to type in your email address. So you type in your Gmail ID or any email address of your choice and then click on next. Okay. Once you reach on this page, you need to click on setup account. And you have to put in your details like your first name, middle name, last name, job title, IT analyst, anything, business phone number 9892354331, company name. You can choose any company name of your choice. I'm gonna choose HCL, for example. Okay. Company size. I'm gonna choose 10 to 24 people. Okay. Website. Does your company have a website? No. Region. So based on this region, okay, based on your region, suppose if you are in India, you need to choose India. If you are in UK, choose UK, right? So based on your country, what will happen? Your account will get created in that data center, in India data center or UK data center or US data center. Okay. So I'm gonna go next. Now it's gonna verify my phone number, right? Send verification code. So I'm gonna click on send verification code. Let me
Kashif, if I don't have a company name, should I have to just randomly put some name or?
Randomly give any name, TCS, HCL, test, anything, ABC. So 318999. That's the verification code and verify. So I verified my phone number. Now here um, you have to choose your name, username and domain. Okay, so you choose right now you see my first name and last name is coming. So I'll delete everything and keep short, make it short because it will be too big, right? So make it short. I'm going to type in Kashif. Okay, so username is going to Kashif. So try to keep it simple and short. And domain. Now, domain, if somebody has already chosen in the past, then you cannot use that domain. Okay, so you have to choose something which nobody has chosen it before. So if I type in HCL, it will not be available because somebody has already chosen it. So you see, sorry, HCL Microsoft is not available. Choose a different domain. So I'll have to type in something else. For example, 70 89. Let's see. 89 is also not available. 91. No. So 45. Let's see. Yeah, 45 is available. You see, you have to check like this. Clear?
Kashif, I'm still behind. I'm so sorry.
Are you using two monitors, two devices?
Yes, yes. And I was looking for Finland and there was no Finland, and now I chose India.
Why Finland is not available? The country?
I'm not sure.
No, country. It has to be there. No, it's
Uh,
not available.
no, it's not available. So I just chose India.
Do you have India phone number?
Yes, I am switching on now. Just a moment.
Okay, domain name and username. Keep it short. Otherwise, it will be too long because your username will be kashif at hcl45.onmicrosoft.com. So try to keep it short. Okay. Password. I would suggest everyone to choose this password. Um, Let me try this. Intune Training 01. Okay, so Intune I capital T capital Intune Training 01. Let me see if that works. Okay, for me. Okay, everyone, keep this password. Intune Training 01. Everyone, don't change the password, guys. Keep the same password. I capital Intune, then T capital Intune Training 01. Every
Sorry, Kashif. I already put a different password.
Okay, make a note of that password. Send it to
Yeah, I'm
yourself on WhatsApp.
sure. Thanks.
Intune Training 01. Everyone. Okay.
We
Now,
can modify name also, right?
huh?
Yeah,
Username.
yeah, username.
Yeah. Keep it short. So, for example, your name is Siddeshwar. So just type in
Yeah.
SID. Sid.
Okay.
Keep it
Fine.
short.
Sorry, Kasib, sorry to disturb you. See, yesterday I have created a new trial account, okay, with that new credit card. So is it
Mm-hmm.
required to create once again today, or
No,
that
no,
can
no.
be used?
No, which one you
Okay, okay.
created? Like MS365
Yeah,
E3
Azure
license?
free trial. No, I didn't assign any license. I have just created trial account, trial free trial,
Which which trial account, which trial subscription you have taken?
free trial.
But free trial for what? Intune
Mm,
or 365 or what?
No, no, no. I didn't define anything.
So you have not given any credit card details then.
Yeah, yeah. Everything I have given.
Okay, I will take a look. You don't do
Okay,
anything,
okay,
I will take a
okay.
look.
Sure, 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 sure.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Now, so here you need to add your payment method. Okay. So you need to click on this one, add payment method, and type in
Sir, only Visa card will accept or any type of credit card will accept.
Visa and Master. You see, we accept following cards, Visa and Master.
Okay.
You
So
cannot
must.
you cannot use any other cards. Okay.
Can we use debit card? No, right?
You can use debit card as well, but that
Mm-hmm.
should be Visa or
Visa. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Then fine.
Master. Your
Uh,
first month is free. You need to add a payment method because the free trial will automatically convert it to a paid subscription after the free trial. We accept the following cards. Okay. It does
okay,
not
sir.
say whether you have to give credit card or debit card, but you have to give your um, Visa or Master credit card, I mean cards,
Okay, okay, got it.
anything of your choice. I would suggest you give credit card, don't give your debit card. Okay. Now type in your credit card details here. Okay. Type in your security code, the CVV number, right? Then expiry date. Okay. Then type in your first name, last name, and name on the card. And you have to give your correct address. Okay. If you give wrong address, it is not going to work. Okay. You have to type in your correct details, complete address. What is there on your Aadhaar card or, you know, um, driving license or anything. So I'm going to type in my correct address. You have to come to the city, Mumbai, state, Maharashtra. Four zero 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 five three Millat Nagar. Okay, Andheri West. Okay, so I have given my details and then I need to click on save. Okay, when I click on save, it's gonna authenticate my credit card. So I randomly gave this credit card, which is invalid, but you have to give your valid credit card, guys. Okay. Once you do that, it's gonna verify your credit card. I think it might send one OTP on your mobile for verification, and it might deduct 2 rupees from your credit card. 2 rupees, and which will come back. It will um, the 2 rupees will return back to your account.
Kashif, the security code, what we need to use?
Security code, the CVV number, which is at the back of the card, the 3 digit next to the signature panel. So what all things are you are getting? You are getting fully installed Office, so you will be able to activate Office application, premium services, right? Like SharePoint, Yammer, and Exchange. Plus, you get email hosting with 100 gigabyte mailbox, unlimited personal cloud storage with qualifying plans, online and desktop version of Office application, right? Fast track deployment support with 150 plus seats, Windows for enterprise. Okay. And trial details add up to 25 users during trial.
Okay. That is completed, the payment method, but it is asking some PAN ID and GST ID. What is that actually?
Yes. You have to give your PAN card number
Okay.
and the correct PAN number. GST you don't have to give. That is not mandatory. That is optional. But PAN card you have to give. That is mandatory field.
Okay, good. Registration number. Okay. Sir, PAN registration number means the mobile number, right? Which we linked with the PAN number, right?
No. PAN registration number is the PAN card number.
PAN card number. Okay. Okay. Fine.
And everyone set a reminder when your subscription is getting expired. So the subscription is gonna get cancelled on 15th of January. So set a reminder for 14th of January on your mobile right now. On your mobile, set a reminder to cancel the subscription on 14th of January. Cancel or extend the subscription. Basically, we will extend the subscription. We will not cancel. We will extend. But if you don't do that, it is going to charge you 2,800 some rupees, guys. Make sure you put the reminder on your mobile or somewhere. Okay. For 14th of January.
So should we click on start trial?
Yes. Start trial.
So for me, that option is hide actually. I am unable to click the start option.
What does it say?
I have given all the details, but just there in
Have
the
you verified your credit card already?
yes, or 2 rupees already
Deducted.
debited.
Okay. Okay. Share your
Okay.
screen. Share your screen.
Okay. Fine.
Yes, if I'm in a select payment method, so do I need to make any changes there?
No.
Just click add on payment method, right?
Yes, add on payment method. Okay, so PAN card number you have given.
Yeah.
Okay, scroll down, registration number you have given. And then start trial by clicking on agree, starting you will be charged license. Okay, scroll up.
Okay.
Save, you need to click on save there below. Yeah, save. Now it will be showing up.
Okay.
Start
Thank you,
trial.
sir.
Have you set the reminder, everyone, for 14th of January on your mobile?
Yes, sir. I make a note separately on that part.
On WhatsApp?
No. Just I make it already noted it somewhere as a reminder.
But you might forget
that
one.
No, that is added on the calendar actually. So that
Okay.
will come.
14th of January is Tuesday. Okay. So remind me, everyone, remind me on 12th of January, because we will be having a session on 12th of January, right?
Okay.
That is Sunday. So anyone please remind me so that we will extend the subscription on 12th of January itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Otherwise, you will be charged, guys. I am saying it third time. So everyone, please either remind me or set a reminder. I will also put a reminder here on my mobile.
Address
Okay.
line. Hi, Kashyap. Address line, we can give like the current one or any or
You have to give your correct address. What address is there on your Aadhaar card or on passport or driving license.
okay.
Kashyap,
Yes.
I remember the password, but what is the domain name we have to give?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Let's go. Wait. Let's go back. Click on the other screen, other tab. Yes. Okay. Oh, click on sign in. My sign in. Register. The other tab. Sorry, not this one. Other tab. Okay.
He's asking for setting up the Authenticator app.
Go back. Click on back.
Okay.
Okay. Wait here. Go back. Let's click on back again.
Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute here. Keep
Yeah, sir.
yourself here. Don't click on next. Now, now what was the question? Domain name, right? So domain,
Yes.
you can put anything of your choice, ABC, or I have chosen HCL 45. So you try HCL 47 or 49 or something like that, or TCS, anything of your choice. Okay. Keep it short, 3 digit, 3 character. Praveen, give me control
Yeah,
on.
sure, sir. Can you request?
Yeah, I've
Uh,
requested already. Open Teams.
okay. Yeah. That is on the other screen. Okay. I'm giving the control. Okay.
1 minute. Let me open the notepad. Now, so once you reach to this screen, guys, wherein it says add extra security to your account or something, you have to copy this email address. That's your, no, wait,
Right.
not this one. What is your username which you have given? That does not come up here. Okay.
No, I think once you click next, we will be
Okay.
able to see,
1
right?
minute.
HCF.
Yeah.
1
Next
minute.
window, yeah.
So is everyone on the same page?
Kashyap,
Huh?
are you there? Hello.
Yes. Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead. Okay, now let's go next. When you go next, it will ask you for
You, Kashyap.
extra multi-factor authentication. So on multi-factor authentication, yeah, so you need to copy this one, this email address. Basically, this is the email address. That's your Intune email account. Okay, email ID. Where is the notepad? Here it is. Okay. So you guys cannot hear me?
Sir, we are able to
You,
hear you.
okay. So Intune user ID. That's your Intune user ID and the password. Okay. You have to store the password later on, not now. You can put it later on, but save it. Put it on your, send it to yourself on WhatsApp. Everyone, send this username and password on your WhatsApp just for a backup purpose. Otherwise, you will forget and it will be difficult.
It is asking GST ID, PAN ID.
GST, you can leave it blank. PAN number, you have to give PAN number, PAN card number. Okay.
Okay.
Kashyap, the domain name should be anything we can give, right? But when I give Wipro 26, it's showing like it's not available. Choose a different domain.
So try 27, 89, 71, 73 and click on save. That's gonna be available.
Okay, we have to click on save.
Yeah. Did everyone save your Intune user ID and password on your WhatsApp? Praveen, have you done that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Make a note of it. Otherwise, you will forget it, and then it will be a lot of problem.
Okay.
Now, here you have to have multi-factor authentication. So by default, after October 31st, Microsoft has made it mandatory that everyone will have to use two layer of authentication. So you need to download Microsoft Authenticator application on your mobile. Everyone, let's download Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile for multi-factor authentication, guys.
Kashif, sorry, I'll share my screen just for 1 minute. I'm stuck here.
Okay, in the meantime, everyone, let's download Microsoft Authenticator from Play Store or Apple App Store on your mobile phone. If it is already there, that's fine. If it is not yet installed, download it and install it. Yeah,
If it is already there, my organization using
that's okay. You can
Microsoft
still, yeah,
Authenticator.
we can use that one. That's not a problem. Yeah, Kiran
My Siddheshwar,
Siddeshwar. Okay, what is
my
your
I
issue?
have saved my PAN ID here. After that, what
Give the PAN
next?
ID below as well. Same PAN card. Yeah, that's your PAN number.
Yeah.
So click on save. Save. Scroll down. Start trial. Start trial below. Now, did everyone download Microsoft Authenticator application on your mobile, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
I'm still, trying to add my card
Domain.
details. Yeah, card details.
Okay. Yeah, click on next, Siddeshwar. Copy this email address or type this email address or take the photo of this screen and send it to yourself on your WhatsApp for backup. Open mobile. You can do it on from mobile. You don't have to open WhatsApp on your computer. Okay. Okay, later you put your put the password, not now. Later you can put the password. Okay. So I hope everyone saved the email address and password and set the reminder to cancel Intune subscription. Let me set the reminder. 14th of
So
January.
after this,
Uh,
next, yeah,
1
I have
minute.
to download the authenticator.
1 minute. Cancel Intune subscription.
12th Jan,
12 Jan.
Sunday.
All day. Okay, you guys remind me if I forget. Otherwise, you will be charged, guys, each one of you. Okay, so have you downloaded the
Your screen is not shared.
Praveen? You share your screen again.
Sir, sorry, I have finished that one.
Okay, Siddeshwar, you share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, did you download Microsoft Authenticator application on your mobile?
No, not yet. I have to down.
Go to Play Store and download it, guys. Now, once you download it, you need to click on Next. Siddeshwar, click on Next.
Yep.
Click on Next.
Just install.
That's okay. Let's let it get installed. In the meantime, you can click on Next. Type in your password, Intune password here. Okay, click on Next here. Next again. Okay, now on your Authenticator application, everyone reach to this step. Okay, once you are on this page, then you need to open Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile. Siddeshwar, you also open Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile.
Yeah. App lock enabled.
App lock.
Yeah,
No.
I did that QR code. Yeah. There are three options. There.
On the top, you have plus sign in Microsoft Authenticator. On the top, you have plus sign. Click on the
Yeah.
plus sign.
Okay.
And then choose personal or work, anything of your choice.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Account added successfully.
Account added successfully. Let's go
Yeah.
next below.
Yeah. 1 minute.
Okay, put
5
50 on your mobile. Everyone, validate with the code on your mobile. The code which is coming on your screen, not this one. This is for Siddeshwar.
Yeah.
Done?
Kashyap, one
What?
question.
Yes.
It's asking for the payment method twice, like the card details. Is it so?
Twice.
Yeah.
You have already verified, right?
Sorry?
You have already added the payment method, right?
Yes, I ordered the pay. I wrote everything, and then when I clicked on next, and it's again asking for the card details.
Okay.
It's showing first month free,
Hmm.
and then once again it's asking.
Okay, give the card details then if it is asking again. Okay, Microsoft Authenticator, notification approved. Let's click on next. Done. Check the box, do not show this again and click on yes. Okay, give me control. Siddeshwar, you need to open Teams application and then give control. Okay, good. Did everyone reach to this stage?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your Intune user ID, the one which you saved already on your WhatsApp. So make sure you have saved it. Okay, that's your Intune user ID and the password which you have set. So you need to save that user ID and password on your WhatsApp or somewhere. Now, so what all things we can do now? So let me open 3 websites. So we will go to 3 different websites. Okay. First, that is intune.microsoft.com. Okay. The website address is intune.microsoft.com and hit enter on the keyboard. That's going to take you to Intune website. And at the right hand side, you need to make sure you are logged in with the same account which you have just created at the right hand side. Make sure you are not logged in with a different account. Okay. Second tab. Oh, I lost control. Sorry. Can you share your screen again, Siddeshwar?
Yeah, I think you click on stop sharing.
Yeah, because I don't, it is not visible to me, you know. Give me control again. Okay. So the second portal is admin.microsoft.com. Admin.microsoft.com. And the third portal is entra.microsoft.com. Entra.microsoft.com. So every day, I mean, whenever you join the session, you have to log into these 3 portals. Okay. Before you join the session on Saturday and Sunday, you need to make sure you are logged into these 3 websites. Plus, your Windows 10 machine is on. I don't see your Windows 10 machine is on. Have you not turned on your Windows 10 machine, Siddeshwar?
No, no, I have issue. I am using this
Okay,
laptop. So, yeah, I think I shared you already. Maybe someone can share that screen
okay,
who has.
fine, no worries. Fine. So, first website is admin.microsoft.com. Second website is entra.microsoft.com. And the third website is intune.microsoft.com. So every session, before you join every session, you have to make sure you are logged into these 3 websites. I don't know why it is not giving me option to.
Wait.
Okay,
This
fine. So 3 websites, not maximize. So 3 websites. So admin, Entra, and Intune. Now, what is this admin portal? Now, this admin portal is basically the portal from where you can manage licenses. Okay, so let me open Notepad and write down the information. So today is 15th December topics. Point number 1, create MS 365 E3 trial license. Point number 2, overview of below websites. Okay. Point number what happened? So admin portal, admin.microsoft.com, microsoft.com. Entra portal, entra.microsoft.com. And the third portal is Intune portal, intune.microsoft.com. Now these are three different websites. Now first website, the admin portal is this is to manage license and bill payment. So you can manage licenses from here. You can assign unassigned licenses to users, and you can make bill payment to Microsoft. Okay. Point number 2. Entra portal. This is the database. Basically, this is for authentication purpose. This is for user and device authentication. User and device authentication. And the last portal, this is to manage device and applications. Okay, so now understand the concept here. The first portal, admin portal, is to manage licenses and bill payment. Now, how do you check the licenses, which licenses you have? You come to this admin portal, admin.microsoft.com, right? And inside that you have billing. Inside billing, you have your products. And your products, you will see the products what you have taken from Microsoft. So we have taken Microsoft 365 E3 license, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Your product does not give any product. Why? Let me refresh the page. Subscription status active, expired, disabled.
It will
Okay.
come, I think. Now it is visible for me after refreshing.
You guys are able to see?
Yeah, I am able to see.
Yeah.
Ah, there you go. Finally, it appeared.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it took some time. So Microsoft 365 E3 license you have. Now, how much license you have? How many licenses you have total? So total you have 25 license. So you can assign this 25 license to 25 users basically. And how many licenses you are consuming so far? There is one license which you are consuming right now. Okay. And this license, can you minimize this, Siddeshwar? That the teams pop up at the right hand side corner below. Done?
I'm trying. It's not happening. Just a minute.
Kashif, I am not able to see the screen.
Kashyap,
That means in admin center, billing under billing, your product is not able to see, not showing to me.
Sorry.
In the my admin Microsoft Entra admin center under billing, I'm not able to see the your product page.
Under billing, you don't see your product.
Yes.
Refresh the page. Refresh the page. You need to refresh the page. Prasinta, did you
You
complete the
can try
task?
it.
I just installed the Microsoft Authenticator and I'm scanning the QR code.
Okay.
But in between, I missed a lot of things what you said. I hope you helped me.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah. So you scan the QR code, right? And then authenticate yourself on Microsoft Authenticator application, and then come to these portals, admin.microsoft.com, entra.microsoft.com, and intune.microsoft.com. Who was not able to see your product? Did it come?
Still, I'm not able to.
Huh?
I'm not able to see this your product. Can I share
At the
my?
right hand side top, are you logged in with the same account or different account?
Still log in with same Intune account.
Share your screen.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I can. Are you on admin portal or Entra portal? Tell me.
Entra portal.
So we are on admin portal, right?
In the admin portal.
This is Intune portal, not admin portal. Click on the 3 lines at the left hand side. Billing, your products. Got it? Siddeshwar, you share your screen again.
No.
Okay, so coming back to the website, what happened? You closed all the websites? Okay, open it again. Looks like you have closed it already.
No, I have not closed anything.
Just open the websites quickly, na? Again, yeah.
No, it has some issue with this laptop. Just a minute. Maybe Praveen or someone can share.
Yeah, I will
I
share. I will share. I will share.
Kashif,
Yes.
I opened the 3 portals. I remember in the one
You
of the
share your
portal.
screen. Sasinta, you share your
Okay.
screen. It will be
Yes.
better.
Yes. I'm in a different laptop, so just give me some time.
Share your screen, Jacinta.
I'm trying to share.
Kasif, I am able to log into admin port, Intune and Entra ID portal, but not able to log into admin portal. Okay, I think license should be configured. Would you please check it once?
I have shared Kashif. Kashif, you there?
Yes, Jacinta. You joined from browser. You don't have Teams application on your computer?
Yes, I joined from browser. Teams application is there, but I joined from the browser itself.
Join from Teams application. You need to leave the meeting and join again.
You can click on the leave option, the right side top, red color, right? Simply click on that. That will end the session.
Jacinta, you there?
Kashif, I joined from the Teams.
Share your computer screen. Did you share? Jacinta? Jacinta, you there? I'm not sure what happened to her. Can anyone else share the screen? We are getting late.
Yes, sir. I will share.
Yeah, share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, give me control.
Yes, sir. You can request.
Okay, now coming back to the portals, guys. So we have three different portals, admin portal, right? And Entra portal and Intune portal. Now we will discuss about these three portals. What are these portals? Okay, so first portal is for license and bill payment, the admin portal. So as you see here, let me go to the admin portal. Okay, so admin.microsoft.com. So when you come to this three dots and then your products, right? You see your product. So there are 25 licenses total, and you are consuming one license right now, and it is going to get expired on 15th of January, right? That's your product which you have taken from Microsoft. Now, at the left hand side, you have bills and payments. So after 60 days, you will get the invoice here,
Okay.
and you will have to make payment to Microsoft. So payment method, your whatever the card details you have given, that's gonna show up here. Okay. Now, in case if you have to purchase any new product, let's say you would like to take another product, you go to marketplace, and from marketplace you can search all the product from here, all products, and you can search it from here. So basically, this is for what? This is for license management and bill payments. So at the left hand side, you have users, right? And then active user. So you have only one user, and that is Praveen Kumar P, right? This is the user um, email address and the license. So Microsoft 365 E3 license is assigned to this user right now. Okay. Now, what all licenses are part of this license? What all licenses are included in this one? So if you would like to see, you can click on any user. So right now we have only one user. Let's click on that. And then licenses and apps. There are 49 apps which are included in this one. So let me extend that one. And you see this one. Um, Azure Common, right? Exchange. So I'm looking for Intune basically. Intune is also included in this one. Microsoft. You see Microsoft Defender is part of this one. Microsoft Entra is part of this one. Then Microsoft Loop. Then Microsoft Intune was there up. Yeah, Microsoft Intune Plan 1 is included already in this license, right? Then when you go down, you will see Windows Enterprise license. You see Windows Enterprise license is part of this one. Windows Auto Patch is there. Yammer, right? Windows Update for Business. These all are included in this one. Okay. Now, so you understood this admin portal. Admin is for license management and bill payment. Now let's move on to the Entra portal. The second portal is Entra portal. Now Entra portal is your active cloud version of Active Directory. I don't know whether you guys have worked on on-premises Active Directory. On-premises Active Directory has user information, domain information, groups, computer information, and it is basically for authentication. When you type in your username and password, it basically authenticate your user account, and then you are allowed to log in. If you enter wrong username and password, then it will block you not to access the company resources. Basically, this portal is for authentication, and it has a database for user computers and groups. So at the left hand side you have users, right, and all users. So right now we have only one user, and at the left hand side we have sign in logs. That's going to give you the information whether user is typing the username and password correctly or incorrect. You see success or interrupted. So this user Praveen um, was trying to access, and it was interrupted first, then it was success. And at the right hand side you will see the location from where he is trying to access, Kerala, right? So multi-factor authentication, single factor authentication, that gives all the information. So this is for authentication, guys. The user account will get authenticated. So suppose if you have like thousands and thousands of users, all accounts will get authenticated from this portal. And the computer will come here under the devices section. So right now we don't have any computer. So if you go to devices and go to all devices, you will be able to see the devices here. Right now we don't have any device. That's the reason it is blank. Then similarly we have groups. The groups is here at the left hand side, and choose all groups. So security groups. Oh, you have created one group, I think. Okay, so that's the group. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it was
by
automatically come, I think, not created, me.
okay. So
Okay,
by
let's see.
default it came.
Yeah.
So all your groups will come up here, all your devices will come up under devices, all your user will come up under all users. So this is basically a database which contains your user, which contains your devices and groups, and this is for authentication. So anywhere in the world, if anyone is trying to access and type in the username and password, so authentication will happen from this portal. Then you have Intune portal. The last portal is Intune. So basically this is our main portal. Most of the time we will be on this portal. So as Intune administrator, you have to be on this portal all the time in your day-to-day work profile in your organization. So you will be on this portal. This is your tool. This is will be your baby, right? You will have to deploy applications from app section. You will see your devices from here. Right now we don't have any devices, so that's the reason everything is zero. But when we start enrolling our devices, we will see Windows devices, iOS, iPad, Mac OS, Android, Linux. So in production environment you will have like thousands and thousands of Windows devices, thousands and thousands of iOS and iPad devices, Mac OS, Android, Linux boxes. Okay, this is gonna show you the dashboard kind of thing. And then when you click on all devices, that's gonna show you the list of all the devices here. Okay, so one by one, we have discussed about these three portals. Now, where is your Intune tenant created? You know, you have chosen India, right? So in which data center your Intune subscription is created? So that you will be able to see it under tenant administration. So when you come to the tenant administration at the left hand side, that's going to give you the information of the tenant name. That's the domain you have chosen, hcl8929.onmicrosoft.com. It is Microsoft Intune. The MDM authority is what? Who will manage devices? So Intune will manage devices. Release date. I mean release year and month. 2024. 24 is what? 2024 this year, and 11th is
Month.
November
Mm.
month. So year and month. So this version is released last month. So you are on the latest version right now. How many license you have consumed? One license you have consumed. And where is your account created? Your account, the Intune subscription is created where, in which data center? India 01 data center. So I think India data one data center is there in Hyderabad. So
Yes, sir.
that is the Azure data center where your account is created. Okay. Account status active. We haven't enrolled any device, zero. There are 25 licenses total we have received from Microsoft. So we can utilize 25 license. We can assign 25 license to 25 users. Okay, all clear so far? Now, so the next thing is point number 3. Anyone has purchased domain? Did anyone purchase domain? Who?
I have. Yes, I have.
Praveen?
No, Prabhu.
Sir. Not me, sir. I think Deep.
Oh, Pradeep. Okay. What is your domain name?
I just created one veryit1.co.uk.
Okay. So from where you have created? From
Like
GoDaddy? Huh? You have
SiteGround.
purchased. Okay.
Do you want me to share my screen?
Wait. So if you have purchased your domain, for example, you would do not want to go with this domain. This is the domain which is given by Microsoft. Microsoft has given you this domain, right? Now, suppose you do not want to go with this domain. So what you can do, you can purchase domain. Okay, your own domain from GoDaddy or different domain registrar. There are various domain registrars. GoDaddy is very common. Most of the people are taking domains from there. So you can take domain from there, and then you can change this. Instead of using this one, you can go with your personal domain. For example, kashif.com. So that will be your brand, your property. Nobody else will have permission to access that domain. Got it? So in case if you would like to authenticate that domain, then you need to, I will show you the process how to add your custom domain. So Pradeep, what you can do, or those who have purchased your domain, anyone is interested to buy domain? That will cost you around 600 Indian rupees. Okay. If you would like
For a
to
year?
purchase,
Is
yeah,
that for a year?
per year, yes. So you can go to GoDaddy. GoDaddy. Okay. And here you can search your domain. For example, I'm gonna type in kashif.com. I don't think it is available. It's already taken. Somebody has already taken. So I will have some other options here. You see, kashifpk.com is available. So 1 rupee, but I will have to take it for 3 years. Then only it will, first year I will get 1 rupee, and the next 2 years I'm gonna get some extra charges. Let me see how much do I have to pay for this one. Let's see. Continue. And then, so you have to find out the cheapest one. Okay, the one which is like 1 rupee or less than 100 rupees. So no domain protection. I don't need any domain protection because otherwise I will have to pay extra. And then continue to cart. Okay, so for 3 years I have to pay 2,799. So I'm going to change it to 1 year. How much do I have to pay for 1 year? 999. No, it is still expensive. I don't need this one. Rather, let me go back and find out different one. First year 253. Kashif.digital 253. Okay, let me try 253 one. Let's see. Continue. And no domain protection. I don't need any domain protection. Continue. Okay. Kashif.pk. I don't need it. I'm gonna delete this one. Delete. This is for 2 years. Let me 1 year. Yeah, one for 1 year 253, guys. You see, 253 plus taxes. So I think I will have to pay around 253 plus GST, somewhere around 300 rupees I will have to pay for this one, Kashif.digital. So similarly, you have to buy a domain in case if you are interested. If you are not interested, that's okay. You can continue with the current domain what you have received from Microsoft. But if you would like to purchase your own custom domain, you can purchase from GoDaddy and make sure you buy the cheapest one. Don't buy the expensive one. So this is for 1 year. I'll have to pay around 300 rupees to buy this domain. Okay. Now, Pradeep, if you have already purchased your domain, so you come to this one, admin portal.
Should I share
Okay.
my screen?
Okay. You share your screen. Okay. You share your screen. Jacinta, are you on the same page?
Yes, and I can share.
Should I stop sharing then?
No, no, no. So now you have purchased the domain already from SiteGround, right?
Can you see my screen? Sorry.
Yes, yes, I can see
Okay.
the screen.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
so let's go back to the admin portal. Now in admin portal, now this is for the people who have already purchased the domain. Okay, what is domain? Domain is like your brand name, your property, like google.com is a domain, yahoo.com is a domain, right? So similarly, Pradeep has purchased a domain and he would like to go with that domain instead of this very it1.onmicrosoft.com. This is from Microsoft. So in production, we do not choose this domain, the one which is given by Microsoft. Rather, we will add our custom domain. So in production environment, TCS company, for example, they will not go with a .onmicrosoft.com domain. They will add their custom domain like tcs.com. HCL will go with hcl.com. So similarly, since Pradeep has purchased his domain, so he will have to come to this setting option at the left hand side under yes, setting, and then below setting you have domains. Click on domains. So right now we have this very it1.onmicrosoft.com. That's the default one. This is given by Microsoft. Right now let's click on add domain. Add domain and type in your domain which you have purchased from SiteGround. That is very
Kashif,
it1.
I'm sorry, I really feel very fast. I'm not sure in which web page you're in, whether you're in Entra or Intune, so I'm confused. I'm sorry, as I was already late.
Okay, so okay, let's go back to the admin portal again. We are in admin portal.
uh,
Yeah, admin.microsoft.com. Okay, now in admin.microsoft.com, this step is not applicable for you, Sasinta, because you have not purchased the domain, right? So this is only for the
Okay.
people who have purchased the domain. Okay.
Okay, fine. I'm also not able to find a lot of icons, icons which I could see in the screen. Here I see very
You
less.
you need to click on show all below at the
Okay.
left hand side.
All right, sorry. Thank you.
You found it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then you have settings at the left hand side. Settings. And then inside settings, you have domains. Now you have
Yes.
add domain. Let's click on add domain.
it's a bit slow for everyone.
Yeah. Type in your domain name. So since he has purchased a domain from a domain registrar, so he is typing the domain here on
Uh,
admin portal. You
what
don't have
about
to
the
do that.
person? Okay.
You don't have to do that. That is only
Okay.
for your information because you
Okay.
haven't
To
purchased
add
any domain.
domains. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Use this domain. Now, in order to verify uh, that you are the owner of that domain, you will have to add txt record. in the DNS section of your domain registrar, because you cannot type in google.com. You cannot claim google.com or any other websites or any domain until you prove the ownership, right? So you will have to prove the ownership. You need to come to the section, yeah, add a txt record and then click on continue. Copy
TXT, yeah.
txt value, copy the value, yes, and go back to your domain registrar page.
What I'll do, I'll just split the screen in two so it's a bit easier.
Hmm.
So left side's admin portal. Can everyone see that?
Yes.
Okay. Left side's
TXT. So choose TXT. The first create a TXT record. Choose TXT.
TXT value, yep.
Have you clicked on TXT? Yeah. Okay. Type in at the rate. No. That's the name. At the rate symbol. At the rate.
Sorry?
Just type in at the rate symbol.
Add the rate.
At.
Oh,
You know
at.
the one which, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
DNS invalid DNS name. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's click on create below. Leave empty for root domain. Okay, leave empty for root domain. Okay, value, just paste it. Paste it. Now 24 hours. No, it will be 3600. 1 hour. And click on. Okay, let's click on create. Let's see. TXT record is getting created. Right. Okay, click on edit. That below edit. Yeah. Right hand side, you have edit option. In the name, can you type at symbol?
No, it's grayed
No,
out.
you cannot. Okay, grayed out. Okay, fine. Let's go back to your admin portal.
Yeah. Verify.
I don't see your admin portal. Where is your admin portal?
On the left side.
Okay, so you can verify. I don't see that. Click on verify.
Can you see in the bottom of the screen, yeah?
I see only this SiteGround website.
Hold on, let me stop sharing my screen. Let's share it again. Entire screen. Okay, so I was sharing my I think this one here. You can see the entire screen.
Yeah.
Can
So continue. Continue. We did not detect that you added new record. To verify this, make sure record you created your host exactly. Okay. Basically, you will have to wait for some more time.
to create MX records as well.
Okay, let's try MX record. Go back. Click on back. Back.
Domain. More options.
Add to your only. Yes, continue. MX record. Host name expected at the rate, and then you have to copy the value. Verify one dot. Yeah, that's the one. The second one. Copy the second one.
You mean under CNAME?
Second. No. Under MX record, the second column. Copy that second column.
This one here, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so go back. MX record.
Hmm.
Add your own MX record.
Hmm.
And then create. Priority 0 then, I guess.
Priority 0, yeah.
Cache
1 hour.
duration 1 hour.
1 hour. Destination. Paste it.
So paste that, yeah. Copy that. Paste that. Great.
Hmm.
Or at.
Yeah, try add the add symbol.
No.
Add symbol, it does not accept. I don't know why. Okay.
Great.
Generally, it does it on GoDaddy. Yeah, create.
Okay. Shall I continue in the admin portal?
Continue. Continue. You will have to wait for some time. Okay. Can you open command prompt with admin? Now type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Try again, verify.
So my domain's gone.
You
Let's
refresh
do
the
it again.
page actually.
Yeah, but I think it's. Let me just. Okay.
I think it's gonna give you a new value now. Okay, let's see. Continue. Continue. Click on MX record to see if it's the same value or different value. 1 minute.
Same one.
Okay, same value. Okay, let's click on continue. Okay, you see it is giving you to wait for 48 hours. Okay, let's wait for some time and then try again. Got it?
But okay. Do continue then.
You can't continue. I mean, it will not
Okay.
validate your account. I mean, domain. Okay, no worries. So you try later on after the session. So probably by that time it will update the DNS all over the places, and then you can try. Okay.
Okay. Should I stop sharing my screen or?
Yes. Who was sharing the screen before?
Sir, it's me. I will share.
Yes, share your screen. Okay, so in case if you would like to take the domain, you can purchase it from GoDaddy. GoDaddy is little, easier to add the DNS record and all, and it will be cheaper. Can you give me control, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so coming back to this user section at the left hand side in Entra portal. We are on Entra portal now. Everyone, we are on Entra portal now. So the next point, what we are going to do is we will create accounts for our employee. Let's assume that you have started a new company. Okay. So you don't have any employee user account here. You can create your employee user account here, either manually, right? You have option to create account manually by clicking on this new user and create new user. This option is for manual account creation. Second option, bulk operation. So we will choose bulk operation. So I'll show you both the option one by one. So first one, how to create account manually. Okay, so using this option, you can create one account at a time. So I'm going to click on new user. Everyone click on new user and then choose new user, create new user. And here you user principal name. So you can choose any name of your choice. I'm going to type in Mark. Okay. And the domain HCL. If you have added your custom domain, then your custom domain is going to come here rather than this domain. Okay. Now the password. Sorry, the display name. Display name, let's say Mark. Okay, you can give first name and last name, but I'm going to leave Mark. Now, password. Password is the same password I'm going to keep for all our accounts. So Intune Training 01, right? I don't know whether it will accept or not. So copy and paste it here. And you need to uncheck this box which says auto-generated password. Okay. And account enable is checked. That's fine. We have to go next, the properties. Now, first name, last name, user type, job title. For example, this guy is so
Kashif, sorry to interrupt. After the password, you changed it. What did you do? You just clicked on create
no, I went
to next properties.
next. Okay. So I typed in job title, associate, and then company name. So for example, company name is HCL. Department.
Sorry, Kashif. Do we have to uncheck the account enabled?
No. Otherwise, the account will get disabled.
Okay.
Department. For example, this guy is from IT, right? Employee ID, for example, 0001. Okay. Employee type, either it's a permanent or consultant or contractor, whatever it is. So full time. Hiring date, when you hired your employee. For example, I hired the employee today itself. These are not mandatory fields. You can skip them, but I'm just giving you extra information so that in case if you have to give all these details, then you can add it here. Now, office location, right? Street address, city. City, for example, you're using the mouse, Praveen. Mumbai, okay. Usage location is the most important one. Usage. So from which country this user will be using your company resources. For example, this user is in India. So I'm going to choose India here. Okay. Next. Now, assignment. So would you like to assign any role to this guy? We don't need to do anything. We will leave that default. Let's click on review plus create. Okay, and create. So this account is created. You see, it took like 2-3 minutes to create one account manually. We have created account manually. So that's gonna take more time when you click create your account. You have other option called bulk operation. So I'm gonna choose bulk operation. For example, if you have hired 100 employees or 1000 employees, you cannot create accounts manually one by one. Rather, you choose this bulk operation. But for bulk operation, you need to have Excel installed on your computer. I hope it is installed for everyone. In case if it is not, then you cannot use this option. Excel is required as a prerequisite. So I'm going to click on this bulk operation now and then bulk create. When you do bulk create, you need to click on download the CSV file. Okay. So we have downloaded the CSV file, which is user create template. So let me click on that and open it. Okay, so this is gonna open in Excel. Okay, let me click on do not show this again. Now, in this one, there are some mandatory fields and some of them are optional fields. You have to enter those details. So I'll show you how you utilize this Excel file. First of all, what you have to do, you need to click on this one, the you know the column which is just above 1, right? I'm going to click on that so that everything is selected. You see everything is selected now. And then you can double click on between A and B. There is a line between A and B. You can double click on that. Okay, so when you do that, everything is now stretched properly and you can see the column name. The first column name is display name and that is required. That is a mandatory field. Second, username, that's a mandatory field. Then you have password, that's mandatory field. Then block sign in, account enable, mandatory field. These are 4 mandatory fields. Rest, all of them are optional fields. You can skip them. You don't have to give those details. These are not mandatory. However, these 4 fields are mandatory. Okay. Now, I'll
Kashif,
quickly. Huh?
can you please
Sorry,
come again
with this file.
how this file? How
Have
can
you
you go with
down
this file?
have you downloaded this
Yeah,
file?
how can
Have
we
you
download
have
user?
can't hear you. Your voice is breaking up. Have you downloaded this file?
We need to select user and download, right?
Okay. See again. Bulk operation, bulk create and download.
Okay. Download.
Okay. And click on the file which you have down. Huh?
On.
You need to click on the file which you have downloaded. Okay. The file will open like this in Excel. Sasintha, you're on the same page?
Yes, I'm on the same page.
Okay. So once it is opened, you need to click on the first column, not on A. Next to A, at the left hand side of A, there is a triangle sign, right? You need to click on that triangle. So everything is selected now. And then you need to double click between A and B. There is a line between A and B. You need to double click on that so that everything will be stretched and you can see the column names properly. Okay. Now, example is given, right? So what we will do, we will delete this example.
उसका नाम ही वही है उसके मामा ने गड़बड़ किया
Keep keep yourself on mute, guys. Now, so we will type in the name in the first column. In the second column, we will type in the principal name, the email address. Third column, the password, and then no. So I'm gonna delete the first 4 column details. Okay. Now here we will type in, for example, I'm gonna type in capital letter Peter. Okay, John, James. Then
Kashif, sorry to disturb.
yeah,
The Excel sheet, when I try to do whatever you said, no, it's like it's taking all the characters in one column. It's not separating like name, username. It's all coming in one column like A.
one column. You have
Yeah.
Excel. Have
Yes.
Excel, is Excel installed on your computer?
Yes, Excel is installed.
Share your screen quickly.
Okay. I'm sharing this
Yeah.
moment. Yes.
Give me control. Open Teams and then give control. You have to click on this triangle and then double click on this. Oh, okay. So everything is happening in one column. Why? Which Excel file is this? Hmm. There is a problem. Which Excel you are using? Let me see. I think it is save as account. You are using Microsoft 365. Okay. So let's try in a different format then. No. So I'm gonna open Excel. Fixed delimiter, such as commas and required comma. Okay. Comma, username, required comma. Yes, good. Next. And tab instead of tab, comma, and then next, and then finish. Okay, let's see if that works. Yes, it worked. Okay. Okay, so you can try this one. Got it? Now everything is coming in different columns. Clear, Sasinta? Praveen, you share your screen again.
Yeah, sir, sure.
Okay, so the names, give me control.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so Ejaz, Sasinta. Okay. Don't type in your name, okay? You have to type in some other's name, okay? Tarun. Okay. Then Uzaifa. Okay. Then Pradeep. Kashif. Then Debasis. Okay. Kabir. Okay. Then Irfan. Then Sivaraman. Rohit. Okay, so you have basically typed in the names of the people. Either you type in first name and last name, or you keep only first name. Now in username, what we will do, we will copy and paste it here, everything, okay, in the username. But we have to add the domain as well. So what is the domain you have? Let's take a look on the domain side. So we will go back to the Intune, I mean Entra portal. So this is the domain. It's at, we have to copy this one. Let's copy. So it is at HCL 8929.onmicrosoft.com. Okay. So basically this is the domain. Let's copy this one. Yeah. So domain is at, we have to add at the rate symbol. So copy and go back to the, okay, so here double click and add it here like this. Double click and add it. So these are your employees account which you are creating. Okay. Now password. What password? The same password, Intune Training 01. Okay, Intune Training 01. And block sign in? No. And I need to copy and paste it in all these boxes. Okay. Now job title. It's not mandatory, but better you add the title. So VP. This one is ED, Executive Director. This one is MD, Managing Director. VP, ED. This one is Analyst, Senior Analyst. Okay. Senior Associate. Okay. This one is um, Senior Vice President. Okay. This one is MD. Okay. What all job titles we can give, guys? VP.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Consultant.
Consultant. Intern. What else?
SME.
SME. Okay, so that's done. Department. Now some of these people are from HR, some of them from IT, some of them are from finance, some of them are from sales. Okay, research. Then um, research. Okay, these are from these departments. Usage location. Now some of these people are from India, then United States. Okay, then Canada. Then Australia. Finland. Germany. France.
Kashif, we can put different cities also, right?
City, you will have to give here at the right hand side. You have city. Yeah, here you have city.
Okay, here we have to have country only, right?
Yeah, usage location will have a country, not city. Okay. The same thing you can copy and put it in the country column. City, Mumbai, United States. So New York. Okay. Sydney. Okay. So Jacinta, any city in Finland? I don't know.
Helsinki.
HEL S. Huh?
SINKI. SINKI.
Okay. Helsinki. Oh, sorry. Germany. I don't know. France, we have Paris.
Berlin.
Berlin. Okay. Fine. So the city name we have given, mobile number, that's okay. We can leave other fields as it is. So basically we have to give the mandatory fields A, B, C, D. These are the mandatory ones. Rest are optional. Okay. But we have given the information so that it will be easier for us to identify which user is from which location and which user is from which department. Okay. Now we will save this file. So I'm going to click on file and then save. Make sure you save this file. Okay. Once it is saved, you need to upload this file back to the Intune portal. I mean the Entra portal. So you need to click on this bulk operation and bulk create. And this time we have to choose this option. Upload the CSV file. So let's upload the CSV file. So that's this one. Open and submit. So this is how you can create your employees account, multiple employees account in one go. Okay, let's refresh to see whether accounts got created or not. See, accounts got created, all of them. These are your employees account. Okay, so if I click on Tarun, for example, you will see the properties. Let's click on edit properties. I'm going to click on edit properties. It's taking a lot of time. Let me refresh the page. It's coming up now.
Sorry, the file saved was .csv, right?
Yes.
Getting some error in this.
Error. Okay,
That's
when you come to all, 1 minute. When you come to all, you see associate, and this is from finance department, right? And this user is, the city is Toronto, and this user is from Canada, right? So whatever the information we have given, it is all taken properly. Yeah, what error are you getting, Ajaz?
I'm getting some error. The CSV file you uploaded is not valid. Please verify operation type and correct the SCV file. Anyways, I will look at that later. That's fine.
Okay, fine. So we have created the accounts. When you come to all user, you see these accounts are created successfully. So I showed you two methods. First method is to manually create the account by clicking on this new user, right? And manually create the account, which is time consuming. Second option, the bulk operation, which I showed you just now, to create multiple user accounts in one go using bulk operation. Third option, if you already have Active Directory, domain controller, on premises Active Directory, then you have like thousands and thousands of accounts already there in Active Directory, on premises Active Directory on domain controller server. You can synchronize those accounts here. Okay, you don't have to use bulk operation, you don't have to create account, you can simply synchronize those thousands and thousands of users from Active Directory database. Anyone worked on Active Directory here?
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay, so you know what I'm talking about. So in Active Directory, you have user information, computer information, groups information. You can synchronize those data here in cloud domain, cloud Active Directory, basically. So for that, you need to download Microsoft Entra AD Connect tool on your domain controller and create a synchronization link between your on-premises Active Directory domain on and cloud Active Directory. So once the synchronization is done, then all your data will get synchronized from on-premises to the cloud. Okay. Now, so we have done what? We have created the account. Okay. Point number 4. Assign license to some of the users. Now we will assign license to some of the users. Now, in order to assign license, we have to go to which portal? Admin portal, right? Let's go to admin portal. Sasinta, are you on the same page? Have you created accounts? Sasinta, you there?
Yes, I'm there. I am trying to add it to the bulk uses, and it's showing the file is not valid. I'm just working on it.
File is not valid. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, fine. You need to stay after the call. I
yeah,
will take
sure.
a look.
Yeah,
Now,
thanks.
next is assign license to our employees. Now, some of your employees will be from facility team. They don't have any laptop. They don't have any computer to log in. So we don't have to assign license to those people, right? We need to assign license only to those people who are basically using their mobile phones and their computers to access company resources. If some of them are from security team, like the facility team, the hardware team, they don't work on computers, right? So you don't have to assign license to them. So based on your requirement, what you do, you come to this active user section and you will be able to see all your users here. You see, it has a synchronization between your Entra portal. So all these 3 portals are in sync with each other. Your Intune portal, your Entra portal, and admin portal. So if you create account in Entra portal, the account will show up here in admin portal and Intune portal. If you create your account in Intune portal, the account will show up in other 2 portals. So you can create account in any of these 3 portals and the account will show up in all the 3 portals, guys. So you see, you have some users. Now, either you assign license to all of them by checking all of them and assign license, or you can choose some of the users and assign license. I would suggest don't assign license to everyone, rather choose some of the users. For example, I'm going to assign license to these people. For example, these are some of the users who are going to access their computer. We will give them computers. These people will have joined the organization and they will receive laptops and mobile phones to access company resources. So they need license. Otherwise, they cannot enroll their devices. So we have to assign license to these people. So I'm going to click on manage product licenses. Okay, manage product licenses. And I'm going to choose assign more. Okay, and then choose this Microsoft 365 E3 license and then click on save changes. So we have assigned license to these users. Okay, so we have assigned license to these users. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 licenses we are consuming right now. So out of 25 license, we have consumed 7 license. Okay. Now, license is assigned to these people. Next point. Configure company branding page. Now, right now we haven't configured any branding page. Branding is, to promote your company name and logo so that everyone knows that you are part of, from that organization. So we will add the branding page. So how will you do that? Let's go to the Entra portal. Everyone, let's go to the Entra portal. Now in Entra portal, you have company branding on the top. Search company branding. You see, company branding is right here. Now there are two options here: default sign-in experience and customize your by browser language. So basically we have to customize this one, customize the default sign-in experience to personalize the sign-in page for anyone signing into your tenant. Okay, so let's click on customize here. Now favicon. It's not mandatory, guys. Okay, it's not mandatory, but in case if you would like to do that, I would suggest you do that. Okay, so favicon. So it has to be a square icon and the size should be 32 by 32 pixel. Okay, so let's open MS Paint. MS Paint. Is it on other screen?
Yes, sir,
Praveen?
I will drag.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna resize this one. Resize. So how will you resize? You have option to resize here and pixel, right? And let's resize this one. Uncheck this link. You don't have to select this one, unselect this one. Let's resize this one by 100 by 100 for now. We will change it later on. 100 by 100. Okay, now let's give a name. So we will click on this A and type in a name. That's gonna be any name of your choice. The company name. Let's put it in the center, okay? and that's going to be HCL, but I will put it in the center. Okay, HCL, that's it. Now we have to resize it 32 by 32. So let's go back to this one, resize, pixel, and it has to be 32 by 32. That is done. And I need to save this one. File, save as PNG. And I'm going to save this on the desktop. I'll create one folder called logo and type in as logo 1. Logo 1. Okay, that's done. So the first image is now saved. So you can simply upload the logo here. Desktop, logo. Oh shit, this is pretty small. That's okay. Fine. So you can leave it as it is, or you can download from internet and add your logo. Now, background image. So the size of the background image should be 1920 by 1080. Okay, that's the size. Okay, so let's add that one. So I'm gonna click on File and New and Size. Let's resize pixel 1920 1980. What was that? 1920 or 1080? 1920 and 1080. Okay, now let's add something here. Let's add in the middle one here, HCL Private Limited. Increase the font size to 120. Okay. Or you can download from internet. Okay. That's the second image. Okay. So I'm gonna click on File and Save as PNG, and it's gonna be logo 2. That's done. So I'll upload this logo, the second logo here. That is done. Okay. Now, what will be the page background color? Okay, it's a page background color. You can choose anything. I'm gonna keep red color. Okay. Scroll down, and then once you have added these images, you need to click on next layout. Okay, so template, full screen background or partial, anything of your choice. I'm gonna go with this one, partial screen background. Then header, show header or hide header. Let me go with show header. Okay. Footer, show header or hide header. Show footer or hide footer. I'm gonna go with the default one, show footer. Okay. Next. Now header image will be 245/36. 245 by 36. Okay. So let's click on File, New, and it's gonna be 245 by 36 resize pixel 245 by 36. Okay, so that is also done. I'm going to click on file and save as PNG and then logo 3. So that is also done. Upload this image 245 by 36. Okay, but somehow this is stretched out. Okay, that's okay. I'm going to click on footer now. Next footer. Now in footer, display text. So privacy. So HCL privacy and URL. You can type in any URL of your choice, https://hcl.com/privacy. Okay. Any randomly URL address. Okay. So HCL terms and condition and URL terms. Okay. Sign in form, banner logo. That should be 245 by 36. We already have that one. Let's browse and add it here. So that's a banner logo. Now square logo, the favicon one, square logo. Then same the square logo. Let's add the square logo and username hint. Type your user ID. Sign in page. Sign in with your HCL ID. If issues, kindly reach help desk on 18009, some number, so that user can reach on that number. Okay, self-service port, password reset not needed. We'll leave that as it is. Review and create. Now we have configured this one, the branding page. What will happen with this one? Anyone in your organization, if they will log in to any portal, for example, these users, Ejaz, Debashish, or any of these users will log into your tenant, they will get the branding page. I will show you how the branding page will look like. So let me open any other browser, Edge browser. Can you bring the Edge browser here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for example, if I type admin.microsoft.com, and here type in Kashif at what's the user ID? You can try any user account of in this Excel. Okay, so the moment you type in the username and go next, it's gonna give you the branding page like this. You understood the concept, guys?
Yes, yes.
So at the left hand side, you have HCL, the header, HCL Private Limited. This is the main page logo. Then you have HCL Private Limited. Then sign in with your HCL ID. If issues, kindly reach help desk on this number. HCL terms and condition, HCL privacy. Okay. Plus the favicon on the top. Favicon is there. So that was the branding. You understood the concept, guys? The branding?
Yes.
Okay. This is not mandatory, but in production we do that. That's the reason I showed you all these things. Second customization will do configure. Point number 6 is configure company portal logo and images. So the next point is configure company portal. What is company portal? Company portal is the portal from where the user will download application and install it. Okay. Just like in SCCM, we have software center. Similarly, we have company portal in Intune. The user can go to that company portal and download and install applications from there. So we will customize that one as well. Okay, let's customize that. So company portal, we have to go to Intune portal. In order to configure company portal, let's go to the Intune portal. Now in Intune portal, tenant administration at the left hand side. Tenant administration. And then inside tenant administration, you have customization. Customization. Now by default, it says no organization name, right? So I will click on the edit page, edit link. This takes a lot of time. Now the name of your organization, HCL Private Limited. Okay, anything of your choice. Color of the company portal. What will be the color? So right now it will appear in blue color, right? So I'm gonna change it to red color. You can choose any color of your choice. Show in header. Would you like to show the company name as well or just the logo? I would like to see company name and logo both. The organization logo and name both. Now upload logo for theme color background. Okay. And recommended image height. Height should be greater than 72 pixel. So let me upload the same logo what we have. Let me try to upload this logo, logo 2. Okay. Logo 2. Let me try logo this one. Okay, this is little okay than that one. The logo 3 I have uploaded. Okay. Now let me upload the same logo here. And then upload the same logo here. But actually you have to upload different kind of logos here. But I am uploading the same logo. Okay. Now sub contact information. Contact name, ID, support. Phone number 1-800-987654321. That's the contact number. User will call on that number in case if user is facing some challenges. Email address IT support@hcl.com. Website name. HCL home. And the website address https://hcl.com/home. Okay. Additional information. Kindly contact IT support in case you in case any issues. Okay, just the number. Then if you go down, then you have privacy statement URL. That's a mandatory field. So I'm gonna type in hcl.com/privacy. You can type in any website of your choice. Okay, this is not mandatory to type in exact information. Rest everything is okay. I'm gonna leave everything as it is and then click on review plus save. Okay, so we have these things are not mandatory, but these things are recommended because when user is trying to log into their computer, they will see the logo of their company on their computer. When they are trying to access the company websites, they will see the logo on the top of the uh, website, right? And in case if they are facing some challenges, some issue, they will see the contact number to call help desk. Okay, so we have completed the customization. So far clear? Anyone left behind? All good? Hmm?
Sir, yes, sir.
Kasib, yeah, understood all things. But in my case, my license is showing here.
Which license
Sel-
you are getting?
no, just a minute. It is showing. Shall I share my screen?
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
So today we have completed all these things, guys. So 15th of December, create Microsoft 365 E3 trial license, overview of these three websites, right? Admin portal, Entra portal, Intune portal, create account for our employees, assign license to some of the users, configure company branding page, configure company portal logo and images. You need to send this to everyone, Praveen,
Yes,
okay?
sir. Sure. Yeah.
Intune notes. So you have to send this on the WhatsApp group.
Sir, can you add me? I am still not in the group, I think. WhatsApp group.
Okay, I will add you.
Yeah.
S- Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording.
Okay.
Okay, the recording is stopped now.